And we can skin a buck, we can run a trot line, and a country boy can survive. Country folks can survive.
Hey there, guys. I'm back. UPS man just got here, and he dropped these off for me. Start with this one first. I got these Marksman Skills right-handed shooter targets. I'll show you the close-up in a minute. It's a 20 pack, I think I ordered. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 20 pack. I got the Benjamin 22 caliber pellet set. It gives you 4 different pellets that they make, 100 of each. I'll show you another close-up. I'll show you close-up for everything. Then I got 20 caliber Benjamins for my 20 caliber gun. I'll show you that later. I got JSB Diablos for 22 caliber. They come in let me see. It's a testing set they sell. 4 different pellets they sell, or they give you. So I bought them too. So I want to find out what the best pellet is for my gun. And I bought this Gammo pack as well for 22 caliber. Come with the TS22s, the Master Points, the Hunters, and the Magnums. Okay. I also bought 54 pounds of clay. Believe me, this is pretty heavy. I bought the clay because I'm gonna first shoot my groups to see which one or which pellet works the best for me or for my gun. And then after that, I'm gonna pick out the best pellets that I think work the best. And I'm gonna cut these clay blocks into pieces. And I'm gonna shoot into them. See the channel or the cavity wound, or channel wound, or whatever you want to call it. I call it channel wound. And this is just telling you how to use the clay safely, which I don't really need. But I got this one. And another safety instruction booklet, I guess. But 54 pounds of it, like I said. Gonna cut them into sections, shoot the pellets into there, see which cavity wound works or is better, bigger, and which pellet keeps a consistent channel. And I'll give you a close-up of what I got today. Okay, so here's the clay I got. 27 pound block, another 27 pound block. Then I got these Marksman Skills right-handed shooter targets. I'm not sure if they're for rifles. The pictures online showed 2 people shooting a pistol, so I'm not sure, but we'll try it. 22 caliber Ultimate Hunting pellet set assortment. 4 different pellets, 400, so it's 100 each for each pellet. I got the JSB Diablos think there's 4 different pellets in this one too. You can read that. So 60 of each of those pellets. I also got the Gamma one. That comes with the TS-22s, the Master Points, the Hunters, and the Magnums. And I got these for my 20 caliber. I'll show you that gun in a minute. I'll show you an up close look at the new RWS Diana 48 that I got last night. And that's about it. Here's a new RWS 48 I got last night with a 4x12 scope. And my dad also ordered these the Crosswind Premier hollow point pellets for 20 caliber. Bought these at Cabela's. This pack I had, this one I had, this one I have, or I had before. These 2 are by RWS. These are Super Points and these are Super H Points. And then we also got the silicone chamber oil, if you've seen the video before this. But this is a really nice gun. A really smooth shooter. Like, I mean really smooth. We got the double case, yeah, Plano. Plano makes it. It's a double gun case or 1 scope case. I got this. And that's about it for this gun. I'll show you the other one. Here's a 20 caliber. There's nothing special to it. Sheridan makes it, I think. Yeah. It's a Blue Streak 20 caliber. This one's really old though. Or not really old, but it's pretty old. I mean, nothing special to this one.